that grinding, here we are. I just put a couple stainless steel hose clamps or whatever on the throttle cable. She's good to go. And this year's patch looks just like last year's patch, which is still holding good. So I think we can nurse another year out of this beast. My biggest fear is that all this breaks apart and I get a bunch of shrapnel coming at me, but I think it'll be all right. I know you want to hear it purr, so let me set the camera up and we'll fire her up. All right, got it primed, ready to go. You're gonna hear my old buddy start up here after 1-2 strokes, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Let's get this thing fired up. Come on. It's been a little cold out. Give it a second. Alright, I'm going to keep trying. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me tell you something, buddy. The video's over. You don't start this time, you get yourself a one-way ticket to the dump. That's just the way it is.